Hello and welcome to this video on mastering English tips for non-native speakers to speak fluently and quickly. If English is not your native language, you might find it challenging to speak it fluently and quickly. But don't worry, with the right tips and practice, you can improve your spoken English skills. Tip number 1. Listen to English as much as possible. Whether it's watching English movies, listening to English music, or even talking to native speakers, the more you expose yourself to the language, the more you will learn. Tip number 2. Speak English every day. Even if you don't have anyone to talk to, try speaking out loud to yourself. This will help you get comfortable with the sounds and rhythm of the language. Tip number 3. Learn vocabulary in context instead of just memorizing words. Try to learn them in the context of sentences and phrases. This will help you remember them better and use them correctly in conversation. Tip number 4. Use technology to your advantage. There are many apps and websites that can help you improve your English, such as the ChatGPT. This is very interesting application. This will help you to improve your English language. You can also find English podcast and YouTube channel to listen to and watch. Tip number 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning a new language is not easy, and making mistakes is a natural part of the process. Embrace your mistakes and learn from them. So those are my tips for mastering English as a non-native speaker. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing and you will see improvement over time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other tips or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.